Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove highlights from GoPro Quik app. So let's get straight into it. Now I will jump directly into the studio here and I will select one video where this app basically built it by itself. Now I will go here to the edits as usual. Now wait a little bit and I will select one clip. For example, this one, click edit. And now you will see here this blue on this timeline. This means that they are all highlighted. So the app highlighted this section on the this part of the video. So how can I do that? You see this auto trim button right here. If you click on it, everything will be removed. So just like that, you can disable basically highlights. Now, if you are happy with some of them, you can also just delete one. So if you go to this one, for example, you see here now this trash icon at the right side, and just click on it and you will delete this part of the video. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next